चाहिए। सारा देश चाहता है कि ये भाजपा का सीट बन जाए और बनकर ही रहेगी। जी जीत होगी होगी होगी, क्योंकि 400 पार करना मोदी जी के लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने देश को अपनाया है, देश के लिए वो काम किए हैं, लोगों के दिल में उनका ऑटोग्राफ है। जो वोट दबा है वो दिल से दबा है मोदी जी के लिए। सो 400 पार कर ही रहेंगे और दिखा कर ही रहेंगे हम।
Madam, Janta Bite will take Janta Bite.
Let's do one combined so that I can. Yeah.
Then we'll take one by one.
1 second. See, let's do first a combined one so that most of them will disperse. Then I can do individual ones. Yeah. What's the question?
Madam, how are you feeling today? Today counting is set to begin in some time from now. What are you expecting?
I'm pretty excited, and all of them who have voted for BJP in the entire country are looking forward for especially this particular seat, that we win and bring justice to Lok Sabha Parliament Hyderabad. We all know that Modi ji in the entire 2 terms have tremendously worked, meticulously worked for the nation. And he has not just worked and left the love, but he has also left a beautiful autograph of Modi Ka Parivar in the hearts of all Bharatiya. I'm so sure that the entire country today would have been in their own prayers, blessing and wishing for 400 Par. And these blessings have a tremendous storm of positivity in the nation, along with winning Hyderabad seat.
Madam, today early morning you're visiting temple, offered puja. What did you pray today?
Today I prayed that let the justice prevail, let the people's pain get rid of this 3rd time under our Modi ji's rule, and I prayed that let there be no more hatred speeches in the nation, let there be no more dividing the nation on the name of religion, and let there be no more corruption in this country, and let there be truthful party like BJP under Modi ji's leadership to take this country towards Ujjwal Bharat.
What would be your message to the people of Hyderabad?
I would want to tell the entire Hyderabad voters that, all my dear voters, you've really done a tremendous job. In spite of so many hurdles, you still made it a point to come out on May 13th. You have tried to show your best. You've been really lovely. You've been wonderful. You really have cooperated as a voter with me. I love my Hyderabad constituency voters, irrespective of all the religions, all the caste, creed, gender, from the all 7 assembly constituencies. If there has been any discrepancies, it has been only from the state government and not by my beloved voters. 400 पार होकर ही रहेगा, होकर ही रहेगा, होकर ही रहेगा।
आपके लिए हैदराबाद की जनता
के लिए, सच्चाई को जिताने के लिए, न्याय को जिताने के लिए 40 साल से जो अन्याय आपके साथ हो रहा था उसको तोड़ने के लिए आपने काफी मेहनत की है। इतने मेहनत के बावजूद मुझे पता है जो हरकत उस दिन हुआ है, हम उसके लिए लड़ेंगे, आखिरी सांस तक आपके लिए ठहरेंगे। जब तक इस शरीर में सांस है, हम आपको न्याय दिलाने के लिए कतई पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। सदा आपका आशीर्वाद और आपका दुआ हमारा साथ रहना चाहिए, बस इसी का उम्मीद है हमको आपसे। I think today winning is more important. In spite of all the discrepancies, ఏవేవైతే జరిగాయో మే 13 తారీఖు, అవి జరిగిన తర్వాత కూడా న్యాయం గెలవాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. న్యాయంగా గనక ఎలక్షన్స్ జరిగి ఉంటే మేము ఎంతతోనన్నా గెలిచే దమ్మున్న వాళ్ళం. కానీ అన్యాయంగా జరిగిన ఎలక్షన్స్ లో గెలవడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి హైదరాబాద్ లోక్ సభ పార్లమెంటు ఈ అన్యాయం నుంచి బయటపడాలి, గెలవాలి. ఇది ఈ రోజు మా రిక్వైర్మెంట్.
మాధవిలతో ఇప్పుడే కనిపిస్తారు, ఎలక్షన్ తర్వాత కనిపించరు అంటున్నారు మేడం, వాళ్ళకి ఏం సమాధానం